Welcome to Wealth Builders, where we break down the strategies, systems, and moves that build real estate wealth in the DMV. I'm Kymber Lovett-Menkiti and excited for you to join me on this journey. Right now, I'm getting asked the same question. What should I be investing in for 2026? Stocks, real estate, crypto, a good side hustle? Here's the truth. Your best investment in 2026 isn't stock, it isn't crypto, and it's not even real estate. The greatest ROI that you will see this year comes from one investment, and it's you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why and how to make this investment pay off. Market shifts, inventory rates move, and change. But the constant in every wealth building journey is you. It's your skill set, your mindset, and your habits. You're the only asset that appreciates every single year if you choose to invest in it. So here's our core idea. What you focus on expands. If you put in even just 20 minutes a day to learning about wealth and strategies, your capacity to build it multiplies. If you intentionally invest in relationships, your opportunities expand. If you expand and strengthen your mindset, your decisions get sharper and your results will follow. I didn't grow by doing more. I grew when I finally started to invest in myself, my knowledge, my skill set, and my mindset. And that changed everything. So we're gonna break this down in a couple parts. First, we're gonna look at why investing in you multiplies every single asset, the 5 types of wealth that you need to build, and the 5 books that will help upgrade all of those areas and build your wealth this year. Let's start with the 5 types of wealth. Sahil Bloom gives us a great framework for this in his new book. And he suggests if you want financial freedom, you have to start by strengthening 4 other types of wealth. And I couldn't agree more. Number 1 is time wealth, getting control of your calendar. Real wealth is being able to choose how you and who you spend your time with. The second, social wealth, the people you know, trust, collaborate, and ultimately grow and build alongside. The third is physical wealth. Energy is the ultimate wealth multiplier. Your body fuels your productivity and your clarity. The fourth, mental wealth. Your mindset is the filter through which every opportunity passes. Scarcity blocks our wealth, and abundance attracts it. And the fifth, ultimately, financial wealth. This is the output when the other 4 are aligned. When you grow your income, impact, and options, your wealth grows. So Sahil, that's my first book recommendation. He unpacks an incredible way to look at all 5 types of wealth and gives a holistic roadmap to building the kind of life where financial wealth is a natural byproduct. Number 2, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. You don't get rich from what you know, you get rich from how you think. Morgan unpacks the emotional and behavioral patterns that separate builders from burnout and ultimately unpacks why the block is. If you've been hitting a ceiling in your journey and you can't figure out why, start here. It's a great way to unpack and get releases in some of those areas. Number 3 is Rich Relationships, How to Build a $1 Million Network for Your Business by Selena So. Selena unpacks how relationships are actually our greatest asset. How one rich relationship, which is mutually beneficial, Both people see benefit and value from that relationship. And that one relationship is worth more than 100 casual connections. I actually had an opportunity to interview Selena recently on my Empire Building podcast. I actually heard her speak and just DM'd her, Just a simple connection. She immediately reached back out and we had an opportunity to have a powerful conversation about how she's seen the power as somebody who used her strength in connecting to build a phenomenal 7-figure business all around leveraging the power of relationships. This is definitely a book that should be on your list for this year. All right, now we're getting even more tactical. Number 4, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This book is a straightforward guide without the fluff, showing you how to build lasting freedom through simple, strategic investing and the power of compounding interest in a step-by-step guide to turning your income into long-term wealth. And one of my favorites by 2 of my incredible mentors, The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller, Jay Papasan, and Dave Jinks. This is an investor's guide for scaling smart. It distills decades of proven real estate wealth building strategies, and many of them used right here in the DMV. This is one of my favorites. I have it. You can see it's a little bit worn. There's some really great, very tactical, straightforward ways to start building your investments in the upcoming year. So every week, we are going to break down the strategies that will help you grow your wealth in the DMV and beyond. So the question becomes, how do you actually get started? How do you start? Just block 20 minutes a day. Read, or if you're like me, listen, learn, and build a plan. It's not about the amount of time. It's really about the consistency that you choose to put into practice. Pick one area of your wealth to focus on each quarter. Building relationships, financial literacy, a stronger mindset, build the systems that buy back your time. And most importantly, apply what you learn. A single action taken is worth more than 10 pages read and consumed. For me, the first action I'm taking this year has been around tracking my monthly expenses, my net worth, and my progress on my investing goals. Actually having your goals written down, making sure you create accountability around them, and then holding yourself accountable through a monthly and weekly meeting. It takes the guesswork of what you're trying to do out. So let's do a quick recap. Make sure these 5 books are on your development plan for this year. The 5 Types of Wealth, The Psychology of Money, Rich Relationships, Creating a $1 Million Network for Your Business, The Simple Path to Wealth, and one of my favorite staples, The Millionaire Real Estate Investor. The best investment that you're gonna make this year is not a property or a stock. It's the person who will choose those investments. It's you. Build your wealth 20 minutes at a time, network intentionally, build your mindset deliberately, and your financial wealth will follow every single time. If today's episode sparked something for you, make sure you like this video, subscribe, share it with somebody who's also committed to having big investment and wealth building goals this year, and drop it in the comments. You can also find a link to those 5 books in the description. And I want to know, what part of you are you investing in this year? See you next week on DC Wealth Builders.